the great place to make the tongs is this place, because you have to make them like tongs. So I'll show you a perfect example. This stuff here, this is a tong, plastic. This is what factory make. Yeah. This is what we want to make it.
Okay.
Yeah? In a traditional way. So these two, you have to strip them, like this. Yeah? This thing, like that. Okay, here. That, yeah. Good man. Yes, put some muscle inside there. Yes. Push out. That's it. Push. Ah, he's a good man, you see? Now, this is what we need, this part. So you need at least this much, yeah? Or you just use your hand, like this. Alright? See, that's the end. First, we cut this one here. Okay, second, you cut over here. Yeah. Shake it today, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, that's it. Okay. Cut it off. Yes. Cut it off. Good.
Right.
Second, we need to strip it, eh? Okay. So, put the knife here, and then you just push the knife down. Yeah?
Alright.
Yep. Push the knife there. See, this is a training for you, eh?
Yeah, totally.
And then, you just go right down. Easy. Go down. Ah, look at that. Voila. Now, so use my people use this, yeah, each inch like this. So you have to make sure, you know, the middle. So if you look at the middle here, so you can look with your eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is close enough.
Yeah.
All right. Now you can break it not that way. Break it this way.
Like that.
Yep. So have a look in the middle. Where's your middle? Have a look in the middle.
More or less, I'd say here.
There. Okay. Then break it. Make a thong. Break it. That's it. Right. See? Watch your hand. Yep. Break it. See the tongue? Now it's flexible.
Right.
Yeah? See?
Oh, so...
There you go. Now you make it smaller. Huh?
Okay.
So you cut it like that. Now, give you a perfect example why if you take this part out. Now, I want you to break it and you see what happened.
Difficult to break it.
Really? The only way to break it, hang on a second. Hold here. Bit more in. Break it. There. See?
So,
See? See now, no good. No spring inside. So that's not good. No spring. Yeah?
so it's the other side.
It's the other side that we want. See? Now you have the spring. Nature got a string. Yeah? Very good. Now this time we're going to move on to the earth oven. Yeah? Okay, leave this one here. It will be right here. Okay.
Thank you.
No worries. Come.